Hello guys, I'm Vijay Kumar. This video going to say about how to do interface and packages in Java. First we're going to create a do interface. First one is interface academic. In academic we're going to create a void calculation of academic credits of. Next register subject of and assign faculty of. Next we're creating a second interface as non-academic. In non-academic we're creating a calculation non-academic credits of and void register club off. Next, you're going to do a creating abstract class as course. Next, you're doing a scanner function. Scanner s equal to new scanner of system.in and scanner s1 equal to new scanner of system.in. And next, you're using int and int as create credits, non-academic credits, number of subjects and number of clubs. And using string as names, register number, department, number of clubs, non-academic clubs, and using a course of string nm and string register number register and string department and int number of subjects, and name equal to nm and register number equal to reg and department equal to and number of subjects equal to number of sub, and course string nm equal nm comma string register comma int number of clubs. So name equal to nm and register number equal to register number and number of clubs equal to number of clubs. This name register number department number of subjects are going to or belongs to academic, and this number of this name this number clubs are belong to non-academic clubs. And using creating a class student one extends course and implements academic, and student one of name string name and string register number and string department and int subject, and super of name register number department subject, and string sublist of equal to new string number of subjects and string faculty list of equal to new string number of subjects, and next creating a public void register sub of, and we are going to in creating a system.out.println and choose any subject number of subjects of from the register following, and creating a course like digital logic and circuit system and signal and system, digital signal processing, and analog and digital communication, and integrated electronics and communication network. Next, using for loop and for int e equal to 0 and less than course dot length and I plus plus. And next, creating going to do a menu driven. So no, sorry, not menu driven. Next, creating a string of value equal to s dot string x dot next line of split of, and next using if statement if of value dot length not equal to subject of number of subject. If the condition is true, and then it will print error selection subjects either more or less subject selected. Try again. Else it will go for a int of option equal to new int of value dot length. And next using for loop and for of int I equal to 0 and I less than value dot length and I plus plus, and so that it will iterate the it trains the uh, condition. So option of I equal to integer dot phrase int of value I, and next same as for of int I equal to 0 and I less than option of length and I plus plus, and sublist equal to I of I equal to course option of I, and we using a function calling here invoking the call academic credits. And next we're going to see about public void of Cal academic credits, and credits equal to 4 into the subject number of subjects and assign faculty, and void public public void assign faculty, and public of faculty equal to faculty 1, faculty 2, faculty 3, faculty 4, and faculty 5 and 6. And next using a if statement subject list dot length equal to 0. The condition is satisfied, it will print that there is no subjects registered for faculty selection. Else will go for a given condition here. So that using for loop for of int j equal to 0 and j as then sublist dot length and j plus plus. And next using a If statement if of sublist j dot equals digital logic and circuit. The condition is satisfied. Will print a faculty one or faculty two. Ellipse, it will ask a signal to give a signal or a signal and a system. It will ask a print a faculty one or faculty four. If you give a digital system, digital signal processing, it will ask a uh, faculty 5 or faculty 6. If you give a analog and digital communication, if you print, it will ask a faculty 7 or faculty 8. If you give a integrated electronics, it will ask a faculty 9 or faculty 10. If you give a communication network, it will ask a faculty 11 or faculty 12. Next, using a display, void display, so that it will display the name, register number, department, subject, that's all. And using a if statement, if of sublist length or length equal to 0, the condition is satisfied. It will print and you have not registered any subjects. Yes, it will print subjects or print it will, else it will print the subjects. This is subjects. Next, if faculty list of length equal to 0, this condition is satisfied. Will print you have not selected any faculties. Otherwise, the selected faculties will display below. And next is going to see the class student to an extension course implement non-academic. And same as student to string name, string list number and int club, and super name or list number clubs. And same as we see before the above. And public void register club of. It'll ask the so you choose any number of clubs from the following. So you're using a speak AC club or the art club and the dramatics club and the science club. Then using a for loop and for of int I equal to 0 and I less than club and I plus length I less than club dot length and I plus plus. And next we're using if the value of if the value dot length not equal to club number of clubs, it will print in an error selection club either more or less than less club rate club selected. Try again. Else it will else it will print the selection club. So that using a else int of option equal new int of value dot length, and using for loop and for of int I equal to 0 I less than value dot length I plus plus, and option of I equal to integer dot price int of value of I. And next we're going to see a public void cal non-academic club rate. So non-academic rate is equal to into subject list club list dot length and display. And next we're going to this void display of so that it will display the name, register number, and club list number. And if using and if club list dot length equal to 0, it will print you have not registered a club any for any clubs. Otherwise, it will print the registered clubs. And next we're creating a class name as question 2, and using a scan function and scan equal to new scanner of system.in, and instead doing a minute driven program here. So we're giving us first choices academic and second choices non-academic and third choices exit. If I give a first choice as academic, it will ask enter your name and enter register number, enter department, and enter the number of subjects you want to register. If I give a choices to as non-academic, it will ask enter the number, enter a name and register number, and enter total number of clubs to be registered. If we give a choice, it will give thank you or else wrong choice. So now we run the program. I was asking enter choices. I'm going to give choices 1. I'm going to give going to enter name as Jack. Register number is 1001. Department as CSE. Enter the number of subjects you want to register is I'm going to give a number as 2. Now it's displaying the subjects which are with what we were giving in the program. So giving choices 1 and 2. Now it's asking the enter the faculty for the selected subject signal and system. So the giving choices 1. I was asking enter the faculty name for the subject digital signal processing. So that giving faculty as faculty 6. So it's giving choices 2. Now it's printed the academic details. Name Jack and register number 1001 and department CSE and registered and the details of the faculties. And next you're going to see about the non-academic so giving choices too. And it's asking enter a name. I'm going to give Harish, name as Harish, and register number is 2001. And asking the enter total number of clubs to be registered. So the giving is clubs registered as 2, and give the clubs are here: Speak AC Club and Art Club and Dramatics Club and Science Club. I'm going to give a choices 0 and 3. The clubs are the details of the student and the clubs are displayed here. This is giving choices 3. So we're going to exit the program. Thank you. Next, we're going to see about the packages. So that we're going to give a so that we're creating a packages question. And next, you import the java.scanner. And next, you're using the class name as hostel management. And using scanner function scanner is equal to new scanner of system.in. And next, you're printing a hostel hatch equal to new hostel. And next, you're doing a minute program. So that giving choices 1 as add SRA and choice 2 as list SRA and choice 3 as student user SRA and choice 4 as display particular student state details and choice 5 is exit. If I give a choice 1 it will display the dot SRA. If I give a choice 2 it will print the SRA. If I give a choice 3 it will show the student details student list. If I give a choice 4 it will display the student details. If you give a choice 3 it will exit the program, so that giving it save later. And next you're going to create a package 1, so that you're using a package and package 1 and importing import java.tool scanner and creating public classes hostel and using a scanner s1 new equal to new scanner of system.in and system s2 and s3 and using a int max SRA equal to 3 and int count SRA equal to 0 and SRA equal to new SRA of and creating array, so the SRA array of equal to new SRA of max x array and next using a public void add SRA. So using if statement if count SRA less than max SRA, then we'll print then we'll ask enter SRA name and it will print the name. So using string name equal to s1 dot next. And we'll ask SRA ID. So ask SRA ID and it will print the SRA ID. So that using int ID equal to s1 dot next one. And using a for loop and for int k equal to 0 and k less than SRA 1 dot max student k plus plus. And it will print into student name and student name and student name k. So enter the student name and enter register number and enter department. And next using a student st equal to new student and st name equal to stu and st register number equal to register number and st department equal to department and using array of count sra dot k student k equal to st. Next it will print a SRA limit reach maximum. Next going to print SRA, so that using int u equal to 0 and it will print SRA names. So using a for loop and for I int I equal to 0 and I maximum I less than maximum SRA I plus plus and using a if statement so if array of I is not equal to 0, it will print the SRA name, otherwise it will show a no SRA found. Next, using a public void student list. So using a entering an input as enter students, enter SRA ID, and next will print SRA ID, so that using a int ID equal to s1 dot int next int. And using a for loop and for I equal to 0 and I less than max sorry and I plus plus. And next using for if statement, if array of I equal to I not equal to null, and array of I dot id equal to id. And next using for loop and for int of j equal to 0 and j less than 1 dot max student j plus plus. Then will print student student list. Student list, otherwise it will print a SRA ID is not found. Next you are going to see about student details. So that you are getting a getting SRA ID, and then next will print a SRA ID, so that int ID equal to s1 dot int next int, and using a int variable as y equal to 0 and w equal to 0. Next using for loop and for of int I equal to 0 and I less than maximum sorry I plus plus. And using a if statement, if of array of I not equal to null, and and array array of I dot id equal to 0 id. Then we'll ask a student list number for and will print the student list number, so that using a int n1 equal to s3 or s3 dot next int. And using a for loop and for of int y equal to 0 and y less than sra 1 dot maximum student y plus plus. And if array of I dot student of y plus student of y dot list number equal to n1. Next we going to do a minute we'll print as to name list number department. And using if statement, if w equal to 0, it will print a student not found. And if v equal to 0, and it will print as SRA ID not found. Next is going to do a package 2 as package 2 with the class name as student. So using a public string name and public int register number and public string department public student of. And next creating a package 2 as class name as SRA, public int maximum student equal to 3, and public student ID and public string name and public student of equal to new student of maximum student. In public SRA of public SRA of string name ID int ID. When using this function, this dot name equal to name and this ID equal to ID. After the doing a package 2 of class student and class SRA, we're going to import package 2 in package 1. So using import package 2 in a package 1. So now we run the program. I was asking enter the choice. I need to give a choice as 1, and enter the SRA name as Jack, and SRA ID is 1001, and student 1 name is there, and register number is 2111, department CS key, and enter student and student enter student total details. So giving a name as Vijay, and this number is 3002, and department is triple E, and enter student 3 details. So giving choices name as Kumar, and this number is 3006, department is ECE. On the input is get by the get it is got. Now they are going to do is access to list the SRA details. So they're giving a now it's print SRA details name as Jack. Going to give a choices 3. Now it's asking enter the SRA ID, so they're giving 1001. So the student under SRA is printed here. Sudhya, Vijay, and Kumar. So next I'm going to give choices for. I was asking enter SRA ID. I'm going to give 1001. I was asking a particular student register number. I'm going to give it 211. Now it's showing a student details as name Uday Kumar Udaya, register number 2111, and there's department as CSE. Next thing I'm going to exit the program, so I'm giving choices 5. I'll say giving a see you later. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching.